So I want to welcome you to this introduction video. In this introduction video, what we're going to just kind of go over is how I'm going to be teaching this class, um, teaching this class over while we are on quarantine. So there's a couple of different resources that are going to be useful. First off, I'm just going to kind of list the resources here. First off, we have my web page. And I'm going to kind of go through each of these resources one at a time. So on the web page, what you'll find is the actual assignments. So, the assignments, worksheets, things like that. Okay. So in that, we're going to find the class files. And then you can also find links to, and again, we're going to talk about some of these things, to my Discord server and videos. So these are videos that I'm doing. So let's kind of go through. Let me just make sure I've got that. So we've got the web page. That's the first resource. The second resource, and again, I'm going to talk about this more, is my Discord server. And we'll talk about, for those people who don't know what a Discord server is, I'm assuming most students probably do, but parents might not. So we'll talk about the Discord server, and then finally we'll talk about the live stream / videos. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm going to look at right here. So let's go over the web page first. Sorry, I was actually in the middle of editing it, so let's just go there. Okay, so again, for those people who are not familiar with my web page, you're going to go to Departments and Staff, and you're going to go to Teacher Pages. From Teacher Pages, you're going to go to Friedman Dog, that's me, and then you're going to select your class. So for example, let me use calculus for right now, just because, so I've been test driving some of this stuff. They've been my guinea pigs right now. So I've been test driving some of the stuff with my calculus class. And so there's a decent amount of stuff there that I can talk about. So I'm going to click on my calculus class. Or whatever class you're in, and you'll notice I have the date, and I'm just you can see some things I'm saying. So for example, today I did a live stream at 10 a.m. Yesterday I did a live stream also at 10 a.m. And I have a link to, if you see below, that says today's Discord link, and there's a link to that. So basically I'm using this voice communication program called Discord that allows me to talk with students, but also allows them to write things and stuff like that. So it's pretty nice. But anyway, these are some different information. So this is think of this as kind of being like the launch page. This is where you can find different things. So for example, if I wanted to go to my class file, if I wanted to find a specific file, so I'm going to go to class files. So in the calculus, I might go to class files, and here's a list of all the class files that are available. At the very top will be the file that we're currently working on. Okay, so that is my website. So now let's talk about Discord. So going back to, let's go back to the calculus page. So if you go to today's Discord, if you copy and paste that, it will take you to my Discord, and it will invite you to my Discord server. And my Discord server is this. So this is the Discord server. And in the Discord server, so let's talk about what you can do here. So if you notice at the top of the left-hand side, there's the different hashtag things like announcements general. Those are all text things. So for example, maybe you're in an IM2 class and you have questions for me. You could type questions there. So, hey, I have a question about number 3. Could we go over that? Sure. And I can answer your questions there. Or maybe you're going to say, hey, I'd really like to ask questions. It's kind of hard for me to type it. Can I talk to you? Absolutely fine. So from 2 to 4 is kind of my time that I'm setting aside for IM2 type stuff, IM2 plus type stuff. And during that time, we can just set up a time that you can go to a voice channel. So if you look below the text channels, there's voice channels. And if you want to work maybe with a group, so maybe you're kind of working with a group of people, so we can get together as a group and we can talk about, whatever you're working on. Okay. That being said, the other thing that you'll find in the Discord on this Discord server is there's going to be links to videos. So for example, again, because I've been doing this with calculus, here are my links to videos. And what I do, these are actually recordings of the live streams that I did with the calculus students. And usually with these, I'd have, somewhere between 15 or so students who are in the live stream asking questions as it's going on. So they would be typing questions in Discord or asking stuff in the voice channel, and I could respond. So that's kind of nice in that there's the live stream where I can get feedback and they can get feedback. And again, that's available to you. So you might want to, while I'm doing the live stream, you'd want to be in Discord so that you could ask questions. Like I said, either type them out or write them or say them. Okay, so that's what's kind of the Discord channel for. The Discord channel is going to be the place where you ask questions and you get help. Okay, or you watch videos. Finally, like I said, there's going to be the videos, and I'm going to see how the live streams go. Like I said, for calculus, the live streams have been going really well. And what I mean by that is I've had usually, a small number of students in there, 10 to 15 students, which hopefully that grows as more students get comfortable with it. But they've been able to ask questions and things like that. So as I'm working on things, they can ask questions. And that's been really helpful, not only to them. I've been getting a lot of really positive feedback from them, which is fantastic. But it's been really helpful to me because, when you're doing a video and you're just teaching to a video, you're not getting that feedback. So I don't know if you're understanding it from the video. I feel, of course, I feel like I'm doing a great job, but that may not be the case. So I can get, direct feedback right there and then. So I encourage you to join the live streams. So I will be doing 2 live streams tomorrow, one for IM2 and one for IM2 Plus. I will be doing a IM2 one, so the IM2, excuse me, I keep on repeating myself over and over and over again. The IM2 one will be at 2 p.m. and I will have that information noted on my website. The IM2 Plus one will be at 3 p.m. Okay, and that's when the live streams will be. The links will be in my Discord. They will also be on my website. I hope that some of you will be able to make that so you can get your questions asked. Thank you for your time, and I will hopefully talk to you all later.